Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel again, Filipino-British Couple. So, ngayong araw na to guys, papakita ko pala sa inyo yung trabaho ko sa for today. So, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo kasi ang job order ko ay magiging karpintero ako ngayon. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, all around ako dito sa casino. Pwede akong magkarpintero, plumber, pwede akong electrician, pero hindi mo masyadong yung basic lang, palit ng mga ilaw, mga konting mga sira lang. So, ngayong araw na to guys, magiging karpintero ako. Karpinterong hilaw. So, mamaya doon ako sa labas ng smoking area kasi may mga doon, mga upuan tsaka mga lamisa. Nagrereklamo na yung mga customer kasi very rough na daw. Magaspang na daw yung mga yung lamisa doon. So yun ang job order ko ngayon. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. So bago ako mag-umpisa ng trabaho guys, shout out ko pala si Abdullah Bustamante. Shout out sa iyo boss from Davao del Norte, Panabo. So maraming salamat talaga sa panonood. And shout out din kay Dong Tabianusa family. So parang sima natin din to si boss kasi katrabaho siya sa MS Carnival Celebrity. So shout out sa iyo boss, maraming salamat sa panonood. And sa lahat ng mga subscriber natin, maraming salamat talaga guys sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa amin. And gusto ko lang kasi pasalamat na umabot na kami ng 500 subscriber. So now it's almost increasing. Thank you so much talaga, lalo na kay Filipino-Hungarian family na sa laging nagpo-promote sa channel namin. Kay Filipino-Czech family, subscribe nyo rin sila guys. Pero sila yung nag-promote sa akin lagi, kaya lagi talaga akong magpapasalamat sa inyo dahil sa pagtulong, lalo na sa aming mga nag-umpisa pa lang. So sa mga bagong umpisa pa lang ng YouTube guys, huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa kasi malay natin, hindi natin alam baka so dadami din yung mga subscriber natin. So laban lang talaga. So hindi na ako mag-drama. Tara, magtrabaho na tayo. Andy, what's up?
It's good, mate.
I think it's good to put the varnish, yeah?
Yeah, you need to, because it's not just that, it's the sun. See where this is cracked on right here?
Yeah.
It's done a good job though, mate. Well done, mate.
This one is really black color, now it's getting
The
rough.
thing is, if you get some varnish, it won't take
Yeah.
long. It won't take long to dry. Yeah, probably a couple of coats as well.
Yeah, it's like top coating, yeah?
Yeah. The varnish is like normally a couple of coats. Yeah, it's bloody nice. So smooth, man.
Huh?
So smooth.
Yeah.
It's probably a blessing in disguise that you damaged it yesterday.
Yeah. And it's not damaging it, it's...
The thing is, that would have probably had, when he used his jet washer, that probably would have had a varnish on there, but the jet washer is so
Yeah, it's
powerful
yeah.
that once you get real close to that would take. I actually, in my back garden, I've got this wall, it's like a concrete wall that goes along, and I sprayed it along there, it took the concrete off, that's how powerful it was. Took little bits of concrete out.
How many bars is your...
So Karsha K4, I'm not sure, it's quite powerful.
It's like
the best.
3 bars, I think.
Might be, yeah, 3.
Yeah,
I think it's 4.
3.
It's 4.
That's really strong.
Yeah. I didn't realise in it was taking bits of I was trying to get them, there was some like moss built up. But you can do a really good job, basically. It's all the wood that came off there is all on here, all on that bit.
Yeah.
It's done a good job on the top, but I wouldn't say that's clean, it is.
Yeah,
That's a problem. But I'll be honest with you, they weren't doing the top of the Caribbean. That wasn't part of their remit, they were just clearing. Oh, if he wasn't doing the canopy, yeah, I don't think they've done a great job.
It's using like 6 bars or 7 bars.
Yeah, he's done a good job there, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, because now you've taken it back, you want to varnish it with proven work.
Yeah.
Well, have you got varnish or are you going to buy some?
I think I will buy some because I have a lot upstairs. It's old.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Living Wilkinson.
I think what you want to do is either do, because on the weekend it's going to be raining, which if you want to, obviously if you're doing it, you get it, it's going to be quite wet over the weekend.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what the weather's like next week. For me, it's all like it's up to
But the problem is this one. It is one of the parts. Water is dripping.
Good job, mate. Good job.
Cheers, mate. Said good job now, good job. Yan pala si si Andy yun, yung health and safety. So ayun guys, katatapos ko lang trabahoin to sa tapos ito. So ang sunod nito guys, baka lagyan ko to ng varnish o depende lang sa bossing mamaya. So thank you so much for watching guys, and see you on our next video. Bye guys.